Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change home screen grid in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to home screen. Then click on home screen grid. And by default, you are seeing 4x5. 4x5 means 4 in column and 5 in a row. Okay, 4 means this is 1. Okay, 1 column, then second column, third column, fourth column. Okay, 4 columns and 5 rows. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can clearly see in the next screen. See here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is called 4x5. If you choose other option, 4x6 means 4 column and 6 rows. 1 row has been added extra. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if you choose 5x5 means both in column and rows are same, that is 5. Okay, 5 columns, 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5x5. Then finally 5x6, maximum 5x6 you can adapt, 5 column and 6 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Then here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I have finally selected 5x6. Okay, for home screen grid, and click on done and see the changes. See here, 4x6. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 4 column and 6 rows, 1 2 3 4. Then here 5 can be added, 6 can be added. If you install more apps, okay, they can occupy on this space. Okay, before the space was not there. Okay, if you select 4x5, see the changes. The default is, this is 4 cross 1 2 3 4, 4 rows, and here you cannot add any apps. Okay, if you install. Okay, so in this way you can easily change home screen grid according to your desired level. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.